Hey guys, I wanted to show this to you real quick, something that I tried. It is called TERRO fruit fly traps. When I say yeah, it is so good. Someone told me about it. I didn't even know about it at first. What you have to do is you'll be using, it comes inside of these little things that look like little apples, just like this. And it also comes with a solution. I think the solution is, and I actually have two more too. It came with a grand total of four. The solution smells like apple cider vinegar to me. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how you purchase more vinegar. I mean, I say more vinegar, how you purchase more of this, but this comes inside of it. But what I probably do, if I do wind up um, running out, which I will, I'm just going to try some apple cider vinegar. I'm going to try the white one, I'm going to try the apple cider and see what happens. Maybe that's because it smells just like it. So what I would like to do is I just open it up and you just pour it in enough. Let me get this out. Pour in enough that you can view it through the window. It don't have to be like a whole bunch. I thought you had to fill it all the way up, but you don't, because I still had some fruit flies inside of here. Also magnet, also gnats. I think they fruit flies though, because they did not come until I got some fruit, and also I got a new plant. You know, sometimes that can happen with plants. But all you do is just close it. You leave it sitting out wherever you want to sit it out, and then you just go the next day and check it out. And I'm telling you guys, nets, it goes inside of here. If you're trying to get rid of nets, it's perfect, super perfect. Throw it out everywhere that you having problems, and then you just open it up. You just unscrew it, real easy. I don't want the stuff to pour out, but there you go. See, you just unscrew it and snap it back. So I'm telling you guys, try this. I know you will love it. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll chat with you guys later. And I got this from Amazon. You can also probably get it from Home Depot or something like that. Okay? Bye, guys.